What is going on YouTube? LANA Delgado here and welcome to Delgado Life. Today I'm going to show you how to use FatSecret app, so if you're interested, stay tuned. The reason why I decided to make this video is because a lot of my friends were asking me about FatSecret app, how I count my food when I eat it, and I actually decided to record one video because I know that some people have some goals. If you're trying to lose weight or tone your body, you have to be on calorie deficiency, so that way it will be easier for you what food you intake during the day and just log in into your app. And the other reason is if you're trying to gain some weight, gain some muscles, you also have to eat a little bit more than regular. And when you log in food into your app, you already see how much food you eat during the day. And also what I love about the FatSecret is that they show you not only calories, but they actually break everything down. They show you how much protein you eat during the day, carbs, fiber, sugar, fats. It's really convenient. So in order for you to get this app, you just go either to Google Store or to App Store and download it. And today I will just show you the basic meal plan that I have during the day. It's gonna contain breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, let's go. So you go to your FatSecret app, and as you can see, it has the menu: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And my calories right now are 1500 because I'm trying to tone my body, so I have to eat a little bit less. So let's just go and hit breakfast button. And here what you can do, you can always check the name of any products that you eat. For me personally, I had today 2 eggs, so I just put the name of the company. Okay, you see Happy Egg, so I had 2 eggs and I just add and then click save. Then I also had rice cakes, and you see it also gives you different brands here, so it's pretty easy to add one. So I've had 2. I also had some Kirkland hummus. So when it doesn't show you, what you can do, you can just click into your camera and you will see barcode and you can just scan it. Well, I don't have it right now, so I'm just gonna add signature organic hummus. So here you see a lot of different brands. The one that I need is the first one, and you see here it says 1 container. Of course I didn't need 1 container, so I'm just gonna pick grams, and I ate 20 grams and click save. And then I also had my coffee. You can always put the brand of the coffee. I only had half a scoop here, like this, right? And also it's good to add some some collagen, or if you're taking any proteins, it's all good to add it here. I also had Vital Collagen Creamer. So it says here 2 scoops, I only had 1, so I just add half. Okay, here you go. So let's see. Okay, that was basically my breakfast, and you see how it says here 530 calories. I don't really care about calories. All I care is about this stuff. You see, it shows you here total fat, carbs, fiber, and sugar, and protein, right? So that's where it's really important. In my next video I will show you how to count the formula, and for now you can just check how to use the app. Let me show you right now how to add some lunch. Make sure when you add some rice or pasta, check if it says in your app if it's cooked or if it's uncooked, because a lot of times it just shows you uncooked, and sometimes when you add it and it's not going to be enough, that it's going to show you that you didn't eat enough, or maybe vice versa, right? So let's just go to lunch tab, and I usually eat cooked basmati rice, so I just add basmati rice. Okay, and you see it shows you 1 cup cooked, so I just add it. because usually for rice I just measure it with cups, so it's pretty easy. And then a lot of times I just eat chicken breast. So I just type chicken breast. And also if you don't eat any skin, so make sure that you add skinless. And here I just click on grams because for me it's easier to use grams. I know some people use ounces, so it's definitely up to you what you use. So let me just add, like I usually eat 130 grams of chicken for my lunch. Okay, so, and I also eat some salads because, you know, like I said in my previous video, fiber is super important, and I know a lot of us don't eat enough fiber during the day. So if you eat any salad, you just want to add it here, but the way you add it, it's a little bit annoying, but you can just get used to it. And you know, with the time you don't have to measure, you know, all the lettuce or carrots or cucumbers that you add in your salad. But in the beginning I suggest you to do it, and later you're just gonna get used to it. So let me just show you as an example how I add my salad. So I eat lettuce, usually it's just 1 cup. Then I add avocado, and you see here it also shows you different brands. So I have avocados from Trader Joe's. Usually it's about 45 grams. Then I also add some carrots. So here I just measure it. You see it says cup chopped, you know, sliced. For me it's easier to add it with grams, as I said, or they have ounces as well. Okay, then I also add some hemp hearts. I love hemp hearts, you guys. They're so good, you know, they have a lot of protein and at the same time good fats. So for me, I don't use 3 tablespoons. I usually have half of it, so let me just add 15 grams. And I also add for dressing, I love mixing balsamic vinegar and olive oil. It's one of my favorites. So you see it already shows me here 1 tablespoon. Sometimes it's a little bit less, but I'm just showing you as an example. And balsamic vinegar. Okay, so you see now basically our lunch is ready, and you can see what it shows you here. And let's go just down here, and you see total fat now I have 61 grams, then carbs 92, fiber 9 grams, sugar 14, protein 65. And the same thing you do with dinner, you know, it's pretty simple to use it. You can also go to more, and here you can go to settings and, you know, check how many calories you want to eat per day. You can recalculate it. For me right now 1500 is enough because I personally trying to tone my body. And you can have different modes here, on and off. I have match device, then the app language. You can also share some stuff with your health app if you have any. So it's pretty easy to use this app. You know, if you still have some questions, definitely let me know. You know, comment something below, and let me know if you ever tried FatSecret app, if you're using it. I know there are so many other apps that people using right now. I personally love this one because it breaks everything down. Like I said, you know, it breaks protein, fiber, fats, carbs. You can see everything. It has community, you know, you can always check some other people food. You can always follow someone and see what they are doing in their journey. It's kind of motivating as well to do some stuff, right? So, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, click like. If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me on social media or comment down below. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.